Hey everyone, welcome back to the Smart Money Moves channel. I'm Sid, your finance enthusiast. Today I'm super excited to share how you can get started with GFS Group to make some extra cash. Now just a heads up, this video isn't sponsored by GFS Group. I've been personally benefiting from this side hustle and I wanted to share it with all of you. So how does earning over $1,000 a month for just about an hour of work sound? Yep, that's like making $1,000 an hour. If you haven't seen it yet, check out my other YouTube video, How I Earn $1,000 Monthly from My Credit Cards. It'll give you the confidence to take the next step in signing up and succeeding in this side hustle. So here's the scoop. When someone buys a Tradeline, they get a quick credit boost, and I earn hundreds of dollars for just a few minutes of work. And the best part, I don't even have to find buyers myself. GFS Group does that for me. If you've got credit cards that are at least 2 years old and have high limits, I can help connect you with GFS Group. Just click the link in the description to get started. All right, let's talk about how to sign up and start making money selling trade lines with GFS Group. Click the link in the description to head to the GFS Group landing page. Scroll down and hit the button that says Get Started Now. You'll need to agree to their privacy terms and answer a few eligibility questions like, do you have credit cards that are at least 24 months old? Is the credit limit on those cards $5,000 or more? Do your cards have a spotless payment history? If you can answer yes to those questions, congratulations. You're pre-qualified to become a Tradeline seller. Finally, enter your first name and email, then hit Submit to complete your sign-up. Once you log in, you'll land on the My Cards screen. It'll be empty at first, but before we start adding cards, let's review the Tradeline Sellers tutorial to ensure your success. Here are 10 important rules to follow to avoid any hiccups. 1. Don't max out your cards. Keep your credit utilization under 10%. 2. Add AUs quickly. Once you get a new order, add the authorized user within 48 hours. 3. No errors when adding AUs. Double-check the name, SSN, DOB, and address. 4. Enter the AU's address. Don't leave it empty. 5. Include the AU's SSN. Always fill this in, even if marked optional. 6. No multiple adds or removals. Handle one AU at a time. 7. Make small purchases. Spend around $5 to $10 on each card monthly. 8. Keep AUs for 60 days. Make sure they stay on for 2 complete billing cycles. 9. Don't oversell your slots. Follow the AU slots guidelines. 10. Never dispute while AUs are active. Always consult GFS Group first. Follow these simple steps each and every time you add an AU. Now let's break down the steps for adding authorized users. 1. New order notification. You'll get a text and email when you have a new order. 2. Adding AUs. Fill in the AU's details correctly. 3. Removing AUs. Only remove them once you receive the email from GFS Group. GFS Group also has fantastic customer service, usually responding within a few hours. Let's pick up where we left off. After signing up to add cards, simply click the Add Card button. You'll need to fill in details such as the bank name, credit limit, and card start date. You can view the guaranteed commission amount each time you add an authorized user to your credit card. This is determined by a combination of the card's age and the credit limit. They're always adding new banks, so be sure to check for updates. Just do the same for each of your eligible credit cards, and that's it. Now we sit back and let GFS Group work their magic and bring buyers our way. Once added, you'll see your cards in the My Cards dashboard within 24 hours. I made over $1,200 in 1 month, and I know you can too. If you want to connect with GFS Group and start selling trade lines, don't forget to click the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever thought about selling trade lines? Let's chat about it. And if you want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next one.